Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be creating a variable radius fillet, but before we get there I want to create this part first that we're going to apply this variable radius fillet onto. So kind of follow along with me if you would. So I'm going to go to the new, and I'm going to create a part. So let's make it like an English standard, create. And we'll wait. All right, so then I want to start a 2D sketch. Let's start it on this plane right here. I'm going to draw a circle, center point here, nothing new here. So let me create this diameter. Let's say this diameter is 1 inch. And then I'm going to create another circle. I'm just going to create it kind of over here out of the way somewhere. So this one is going to be the diameter. Let's say the diameter is 0.5. And then what I want to do is I'm going to line these two up. So to do that, I think because I'm at a crazy rotation here, I'm going to go to, I think it's going to be horizontal constraint, even though it's really vertical. I'm going to click this center and this center here, line those two up, and then I'm going to dimension from the center of this to the center of this. Let's make this maybe about 3. Okay, let's double click this. I'm gonna make this 2. That looks too far. All right, so let's do that. And then what can we do? Let's see. I want to, yeah, I'm gonna make a line, and I'm gonna make a line from this circle here to this one. Try not to put any constraints on it, just kind of draw it kind of like so. And then we'll add constraints here. Now, so I want to use the tangent constraint. So I'm going to click the circle, I'm going to click the line, I'm going to click the circle, click this line, I'm going to click the circle, click the line, click the circle. You get the idea. Click the line. All right, so then I want to trim this part of the circle, this part of the circle. Then I want to draw another circle. Center point. Let's make this the same. Let's make this 0.5. And I think we're good. So now I'm going to finish this sketch here. I want to extrude this up by, do I want it that far? Maybe 0.75. But what I want to do is I want to give it a taper. So I don't want to extrude it straight up. I want to extrude it where it goes in a little bit as it raises up. So that's going to be a negative taper. So let's go -2, -4. I'm experimenting here. That may be a little much. Let's go -3. I know you're like, make up your mind, bro. All right, so -3, and I'm gonna hit OK. All right, so they're not gonna have you create this part in the on the certification test, but I just wanted to kind of make this part. What they usually do is they'll give you a part similar to this, and then they'll say, okay, create a variable radius fillet on this top edge, and they'll give you the dimensions to do that. So to create a variable radius fillet, right, you're going to go up to your fillet, and then you're going to click on the variable tab here in the middle, and then I'm going to select this back kind of face here. And then notice as I move my cursor around, you see a little yellow dot. So I'm looking for the center of that, which is going to be the green dot here. So this one, you can give it a radius of, let's leave it as 0.125. And then for the second point, it's going to be up here at the front. So again, I'm going to look for that little green dot where I know it's the center of that arc. And then here, let's say I want to give this one a bigger radius, maybe 0.2, maybe even 0.25. I'm trying to make it more obvious where it's, okay, that's too much. We want too much. Too much, too much. We'll keep going until it's, all right. Did it before? Oh, 0.2 works. 0.22. Yeah, if you go too much, it won't do it. It'll freak out. So let's leave that 0.2 and then hit apply. And then you can kind of see what it does. So it has a different radius on the front and the back. And it kind of gradually moves from that one radius to the other. Like so, kind of like a gradient pattern. You know, it kind of transitions from one to the other. But anyway, and then what we want to do is they'll probably have you do that. They'll probably have you add a material to it. So let's add a material on this thing. Let's go to like stainless steel. And then we can go to our eye properties. I clicked on File, Eye Properties. Click on the Physical tab. Make sure you hit the update, because right now it's not showing any properties. So when we update it, now it's going to calculate all those properties with our chosen material on it. So the mass, the area, the volume. So that's kind of what you might see on the certified user test. Create a variable radius, a variable fillet radius thingy, and then give it a material. And then they'll ask you for a certain property of it just to make sure that you did that correctly. So there you go. Hope that helps. And yeah, peace out.